Monday, partly sunny with a 50% chance of rain. Highs in the upper 40s. Monday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of rain. Lows in the upper 30s. Receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather on the day of the test, it will be postponed until the following week. This concludes this test.